Caleb loves it when people sneeze. You want to sneeze?
Yeah.
Okay. Say, Achoo! So he has this song on his little piano that he has here. Ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All covered with cheese. I lost my poor meatball when somebody sneezed. Achoo! Can you do it? You sneeze.
Yeah.
Okay, you say achoo. He likes to imitate it, but I don't know if he's gonna do it for the camera. Huh? Achoo! Do it. Achoo! No sneezes from you? Okay. Wrong song. All covered with cheese. I lost my poor meatball when somebody sneezed. Achoo! That's good. Achoo! Your sneezes leave a lot to be desired. Chew! Achoo.